Come to YouTube.com, where you can find different videos and earn free PayPal money by just watching YouTube videos. I want you to click on any of these videos, and once you open the video like this, I want you to watch at least 30 seconds of it so you can get $5 for every YouTube video you watch. All of these are real payment proofs that people from all over the world have been paid for the videos they have watched. Here's how much free PayPal money you can get this way. You can get $5 if you watch just one YouTube video. If you watch 10 videos, you can earn $50. And if you watch 30 videos per day, you can earn up to $150. And the good news is that you can do this as many times as you want and always make money. To do this, all you need is a cell phone or a computer. First of all, I want you to click the sign in button on the top right corner, and it will take you to this page. Now, if you don't already have a YouTube account, create your account by just clicking on Create Account and choosing for Myself. On this page, you can sign up for a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you logged into your YouTube account, one thing you will notice on the left-hand side is you can see the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the most popular videos in each of these categories, such as music, sports, games, movies, news, and so on. From there, I want you to click on Gaming, which will bring you to this page. Under the gaming section, there are literally millions and millions of people watch these gaming videos on YouTube, but they don't know how they could be making a lot of free PayPal money. But today, I'll show you a secret way to make free PayPal money 2022 that no one else knows about and that only takes a few minutes. And that's how all of these guys keep making $5 again and again for every single video they watch. This is a 100% legal and free way to get free PayPal money in 2022. YouTube is actually available in every country, and you can watch it from anywhere in the world to make free PayPal money. I'll give you the first bonus tip right now. I want you to pay attention to this Minecraft video game category, which is a very popular game. It is trending right now. When you click on Minecraft, it will take you to this page where there are a lot of videos about how to play Minecraft. Right now, one of these live streaming videos is running right now, and the second step is as easy as clicking on any of these live videos. If you click on this video, you'll be taken to the next page where a live stream is happening. You can see that a lot of people are watching this video. There were a lot of requests to watch these videos, and so were the opportunities to make free PayPal money in 2022. You can use these videos. Keep watching, because at the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus tip that will help you make 10 times as much money as other people. And in a minute, I'll show you exactly how you can use this kind of YouTube video to make a lot of free PayPal money. The best part is you can do this over and over again for many different YouTube videos in this category. To turn these YouTube videos into real money, we need to go to the second website, which will help us earn free PayPal money. As you can see, this method lets people earn $5 each time they watch a video. On this site, you can shorten URL links and use them to get free money in your PayPal account. Don't worry, I'll make it easy for you to understand. It's much easier than you think, and right now, not many people are talking about this strategy. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, you can get a lot of free PayPal money in 2022. This site is called 7or6.com. So the idea is really simple. All you have to do is sign up for a free account on 7or6.com and then shorten the URL links of different YouTube videos. In just a minute, I'll show you how to do it, and you can get free money through PayPal for every video you make. Now, I'll show you how it works by giving you an example. If you're watching these YouTube videos, you can find the share button right here, right under the videos. If you click on this share button, you can find the YouTube URL link for this gaming video. And then I want you to click on the button that says copy. This will copy the link to this YouTube video. And then all we have to do is go back to 7or6.com and paste the link into this box. Now, as you can see, I just put the link to that YouTube video into this box. Now press this little button. This website will automatically help you to shorten this long YouTube link into a brand new unique link. You will now get paid every time someone clicks on this unique link. That is exactly how all of these guys are generating a lot of money on this website called 7or6.com. You can cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, or Payeer once you've earned them. There are numerous payment options available. So the first thing I want you to do is return to the homepage and click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the site, and you will be transported to this page where you may register for a brand new membership. Again, this is completely free and available worldwide. Now, I want you to enter your username, email address, make a password, check the terms of service and privacy policy box, and then click the register button. After you sign up for a brand new account, and when you log in, this is your dashboard look like. I want you to click on this page's top left button, which is a new shortened link. When you click on that, we'll copy and paste our YouTube URL links here so we can shorten them and get free PayPal money 2022. Now, all I want you to do is go back to your YouTube video, click the share button, and copy this URL link. Then go back to your dashboard and copy and paste that link right here into this box, and under alias, I want you to type Minecraft, which is the name of the video. Then click the shorten button, and you'll have your Minecraft shortened link. So step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and do the same thing for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube URL links you copy and shorten, the more free PayPal money you're going to make. This is the next bonus tip I want to give you, and I want you to pay attention only to this category because this will help you make a lot of free PayPal money using it. I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos only. Now let's continue. I want you to click on this video, which will take you to another live streaming video only. From there, we'll do the same thing over again. Click the share button and then click copy to copy the URL. Then go to the page where you shorten URLs and paste the second URL link into the box. Then we'll type Minecraft 2 into the alias box and click shorten. That's the second link we've cut down successfully. Don't forget what I said. Just do the same thing over and over to make a lot of money online. You have to find different videos that are popular on YouTube. Then just copy the link and use 7or6.com to make it shorter. For the 4th step, I want you to go to this website, steamcommunity.com. But before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video, like it and leave a comment with the name of your country so I can make more videos about how to make money online for you and other people from your country. Now, this is a gaming website or gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about different strategies to play different games. Right now, in the Minecraft game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, a lot of people are talking about this game. This game is very popular right now, and every day they get millions and millions of views. With the help of 7or6.com, this is your best chance to get in on this trend and make a lot of free PayPal money from all of these YouTube videos. Now what you can do is basically sign up for a free account on Steam Community, make a post about Minecraft or any other popular game, and share your shortened link from 7or6.com into the Steam Community through that post. And from there, you'll get a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They will see your link, click on it, and watch the YouTube video. And for every click, you're going to make a lot of free PayPal money. And you could making hundreds and thousands of dollars in just one video. Those of you who are still watching, I have a special bonus for you that will help you make 3 times as much money as other people. Now, I'm going to tell you about a secret website that I've never told anyone else about. But right now, I want to share with you the secret website, which is moot.us. Basically, this is a special forum where you can find different people talk about the game Minecraft. A lot of people also post photos and videos related to games. Now, basically, all of these Minecraft gameplay videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. Since you watched this video all the way to the end, I want to tell you about a chance to make more free PayPal money, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the link to these kinds of videos, which are live streaming videos, you could get tens of thousands of clicks and make a lot of money online. As part of the special bonus I promised you, I want to give you this free done-for-you template that you can use to make a lot more money than other people. So you can just copy this template and share it in the Steam Community or on the moot.us forum as well. From there, a lot of people are going to click on your shortened link and you'll make a lot of money. So this is just one example of something that will get you a lot of clicks. This is how I put this template together. Have you guys seen this great video of Minecraft in action? It's mind-blowing. This is where you will put your shortened link from 7or6.com so people can watch the live streaming video. So just go back to your 7or6 dashboard and copy this short link from there. Then go back to our template and paste the link here. Now all you have to do is copy and paste this whole template into these 2 websites. You don't have to put in much work because these gaming category videos are picking up a lot of trends and are really popular right now. That is exactly how many people are able to earn a lot of free PayPal money for each and every video that they view. And now, if you want to earn even more money, simply click on the video that appears on the screen to earn free PayPal money for simply watching a YouTube video. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.